Choyal presents innovative grinding solutions. From last 52 years, Choyal is the name in milling world which gives new definition and identity to milling through their experience, research and development. From patented technology and automation, Choyal provided so many machines like Wonder Mill, Wonder Miller, Wonderlight and Emery Stone Dresser to millers. Not only they increased benefits of mills owners but also made the milling process easy. Today we take you through the fully digital and computerized whole wheat flour stone mill plant at Choyal's Ajmer campus. We will show you many modern, automatic cleaning and grinding machines. We will show you full process of making whole wheat flour from wheat in Choyal's whole wheat flour stone mill plant. At first, by visual inspection, wheat is observed for impurities like mite, worm, fine pieces, different crops, grains and soils pebbles. Then in the Choyal's Facility Center modern lab it goes through many tests like wheat's color, size, density and moisture. After passing lab tests, wheat is sent for further processing. During harvesting and wheat packing, many different types of impurities and other elements are mixed in wheat. Wheat cleaning is the main important part of processing. In Choyal's whole wheat flour stone mill plant, wheat's cleaning and sorting is done by more than 15 automatic and computerized machines. In the various stages of cleaning. First is pre-cleaning, where wheat comes in the plant from the intake point mesh. It stops all the boiled impurities at the top. From here, wheat reach a drum sieve which extract impurities like plastic, ropes and paper etc. After passing drum sieve, wheat comes at pre-clean air which cleans stalk, peel and poultry feed from them. After pre-cleaning, wheat is stored at big silos which keeps the grain safe from environmental effect. After pre-cleaning, time for first cleaning. In this, wheat go through from flow balancer, which passes the wheat in exact weight and measurement. And the wheat comes in a magnetic destoner passing through the high magnet, which removes iron-based particles from the wheat. In the cleaning's next stage, wheat went through vibro separator first. This separates the stalks which stuck with wheat, cleans the bales and small grains. Now, wheat reaches a destoner first which separates the pebbles, stones from wheat. After this, wheat reaches at scorer. It breaks the clay pebbles which include with grains, and then aspiration channel pulls out the clay from wheat. After scorer, wheat go through from vibro separator second and destoner second, then it's stored in the silos. Before sending to grinding, it has to go through for final cleaning from vibro separator second and destoner second, so that no scope left for impurities in the wheat. Now the wheat brings in the PLC operated semi-automatic dampener system Wonder Drop for conditioning. Wonder Drop controls and maintain moisture by flowing water. Wheat comes in dampener from Wonder Drop where it rotates and washed thoroughly by water for remove impurities. Now for 8 to 10 days wheat keeps in conditioning silos. After conditioning, wheat has to go through from emery polisher which removes the wheat's impurities and polish the grain. In this cleaning process, other machines also help in various stages like aspiration channel, centrifugal fan, reverse jet filter and magnet etc., which removes impurities and iron-based particles from grain. After removing all impurities, Now wheat comes for grinding in Choyal's patented technology Wonder Mill, which is fully automatic and digitally operated machine. It is not only save power but also give 30% more output compared to other stone mills. Not only Wonder Mill control the temperature but also grind good quality whole wheat flour. Grinding all process is done by Wonder Mill TLC system and Wonder Light program, by which we would be relieved for quality. After grinding, whole wheat flour is filtered by 16 mesh plan sifter, which separates whole wheat flour, bran and non-grinded wheat. Now, bran and half-grind wheat comes in load cells-based silos, so that we get the continuous information of whole wheat flour and bran ratio. Only that part of bran is separated from the whole wheat flour, by which fiber and nutrition elements retain in it. To increase the shelf life and quality of whole wheat flour, now it will go through fermentator. If there is any biological development happening, that will finish here. In the last stage, whole wheat flour has to go through from vibro shifter and high power magnet for redressing. Now, whole wheat flour is ready for packing. Before packing, whole wheat flour has to pass all the tests in lab like moisture, alcoholic, CCl4, sensory, water observing and brand scan, etc. Now, whole wheat flour is packed into multi-layers pouch by automatic packing machines. All packing pouches have batch numbers. Also, every batched whole wheat flour is kept in store for 3 months. Fully automatic process keeps the whole wheat flour away from human hands, because all process is digital and computerized, so that there is no scope left for human mistakes and lack in quality. To maintain the output quality, all the digital data is compiled from various steps and observe them continuously. Choyal Stone Mill plant gives the special importance to the hygiene and cleaning. Even in the stores there are rules of maintenance. Bring the wheat at plant and till the whole wheat flour packing process. Wheat and whole wheat flours checking and the quantity of output are all done by software Spectrum ERP and Miller Lite, which is specially developed for whole wheat flour stone mill plant. That's why the quality is always best and same. Choyal whole wheat flour stone mill plant is Wi-Fi enabled. That's why it can be controlled by Windows, Android phones and tablets from anywhere, and also get complete data anytime. Developed and established whole wheat flour process machines and whole wheat flour plants by Choyal's not only solve the problems of mills owners but also increase the profit. Mill owners' trust is including in Choyal products. That's why not only India's small and big but all kind of whole wheat flour producers are using Choyal's manufactured emery stone, whole wheat flour stone mill, whole wheat flour plant and many various machines. Even Choyal has been exporting these machines to many countries in the world from many years. That's why today Choyal name is including in world's stone mill makers.
We never forget how much you rely on Choyal.